You may ask me, what about the syllabus? Let me tell you something about the syllabus part. If you are really serious about learning spoken English, if you want to learn English in a short span of time, if you want to speak in English in a short span of time, particularly those who are not well acquainted with English, the first thing that you should know is what to learn and what not to learn. What to learn and what not to learn is an important aspect of learning spoken English. Because if you try to learn every lesson in grammar, if you try to learn and understand and master every lesson in detail, no doubt it's going to create a mess in your mind. It's going to become the biggest barrier for you to start to speak in English. Because when you try to know all the things in the beginning itself, when you try to learn everything in the beginning itself, you start getting so many doubts and confusions. These doubts and confusions will not let you start to speak in English. And on the other hand, they will also kill your confidence level. That is why, while designing this syllabus, I have taken utmost care that only the essential and important lessons are taken into syllabus in this particular course. Let me tell you something about the depth of the subject. One more important aspect of learning English is to what extent. Remember, to what extent a lesson should be learnt. Because any lesson can be learnt hours together, days together, and months together. Learning is endless. The depth of any subject is endless. The same happens even with your English language too. Any grammar lesson, you can learn hours together, days together, months together. The secret of learning spoken English lies in to what extent a lesson should be learned. We have to know where to start the lesson and where to stop the lesson. If you keep on learning all the stuff in the beginning itself, you are going to end up with so many doubts and confusions. Anybody who wants to learn English should know this particular fact. That is why, to avoid unnecessary confusions and doubts, every lesson in this course is carefully considered and meticulously planned in such a way that you feel easy to learn and speak in English. Every lesson is carefully crafted to connect to your core objectives of speaking in English. That is why I said it is a unique course that is designed to perfectly fit to your essential learning needs of spoken English. No doubt it's going to perfectly hit the target. The target is to speak in English fluently and confidently. This clear understanding of the lessons leads to an effective self-learning. No doubt. Self-learning leads to a great success, particularly while learning to speak in English. Once your self-learning starts, nobody on the earth can stop you from speaking in English. By just watching the video lessons from this particular course, you yourself can easily learn, understand, adapt, and start to speak in English right from the day one itself. Every video lesson creates a feeling that you have already mastered that particular area of the language and prompts you to start to speak in English as soon as you complete watching the video. The feeling of understanding a lesson in clear will lead to a wonderful confidence building. As you know that confidence is a key to success. The confidence will contribute for effective self-motivation. And the self-motivation is going to prompt you to start to speak in English. It helps you for a kick-start speaking in English. I'm sure that your self-learning to speak in English is going to take off with the first lesson that you watch from this course, Spoken English Standard.